Self-balancing scooters, also known as hoverboards, have become increasingly popular in recent years. There are many products available to choose self-balancing scooters, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best self-balancing scooters from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Segway Ninebot SS Max 2 Smart Self-Balancing Scooter. The Segway Ninebot S is a compact and sturdy self-balancing electric scooter with dual 400W motors that can reach a max speed of 10 mph and climb a max slope of 15. It is OL 2072 certified for high standards of safety and has IP54 waterproof protection for operation in various weathers. The 10.5 pneumatic tires provide a comfortable ride on bumpy roads, and the knee control bar allows for precise steering and easy lifting. The Segway app allows for anti-theft function, speed limit and adjustment, vehicle self-diagnose, firmware upgrade, ambient light, vehicle remote control, and more. Number 2. Hoverboard 6.5 Self-Balancing Hoverboard Electric Scooter. The Jolch Self-Balancing Hoverboard is a fantastic electric scooter designed for kids. It features self-balancing technology, making it easy for riders of all ages to learn and ride with confidence. The LED flash wheels and front lights not only add a cool factor, but also ensure visibility and safety when riding at night. The rubber tires absorb shock, providing a smooth and comfortable ride, while the slip-resistant pedal helps prevent accidents and falls. With a certified long-life battery, this hoverboard is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It can accommodate riders ranging from 45 to 220 pounds, and offers the ability to go straight, rotate, and even rotate 360 degrees. With its user-friendly features and versatility, the Jolch self-balancing hoverboard is a great choice for kids of all skill levels. Number 3. Gawtrax Hoverboard. The Gawtrax Edge hoverboard is equipped with dual 200W brushless motors that can take riders up to a top speed of 6.2 mph. The 54Wh battery pack allows for up to 2.5 miles of continuous riding on a single charge. It features 6.5 solid high-quality tires that provide a comfortable and smooth ride, a durable and thick non-slip foot pad, and a bright LED indicator light that shows the battery and hoverboard status. Additionally, the hoverboard meets all 2072 safety standards, making it a safe and reliable option for riders of all sizes. Number 4. Flux Hoverboard. The Flux FX3 hoverboard, also known as the Flux FX3, is a powerful and safe self-balancing scooter suitable for riders weighing up to 176 pounds. With dual 200W brushless motors, it can reach a maximum speed of 6.2 mph, providing a thrilling joyride. The 54Wh battery pack offers up to 3.1 miles of continuous riding on a single charge, allowing for longer trips. The lightweight yet sturdy design ensures durability, while the non-slip footpad provides safety for riders of all ages. Equipped with a LED front light, the Flux FX3 ensures clear visibility and bright forward illumination. Beginners will appreciate the self-balancing system and the smooth and stable riding experience provided by the 6.5 solid high-quality tires. With easy learning and control, riders can confidently navigate straight paths, make fast turns, and even perform 360 rotations to showcase their skills. The Flux FX3 is not only a fun and exciting ride, but also a great gift option. With 24 hours online service and a 180-day warranty, the Flux FX3 ensures excellent customer support. Number 5. Gyroor Warrior 8 5-inch All-Terrain Off-Road Hoverboard. The Gyroor Warrior 8 5-inch off-road hoverboard is a OL 2072 certified self-balancing scooter made of durable and sturdy materials that ensure safety and longevity. It features 8 5-inch solid tires and a 700 watts motor for a smooth ride on all terrains. The built-in high-quality music speaker adds to the fun of riding this hoverboard, and the self-balancing technology makes it easy for new riders to master the art of balancing in minutes. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.